Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 18. This is Section 2.3, Problem 18. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. And we have 1/3 and 2/5. So to determine if two fractions are equivalent, you can multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other fraction and see if the results come out equal or not. So going one way, if I multiply the numerator times the denominator, I will have 1 times 5, which is 5. And then the other way, multiplying the numerator times the denominator, I will have 3 times 2, which is 6. Well, 6 is certainly not equal to 5, so these fractions are not equivalent.